$499 for a MacBook. Yeah, this is real. Apple just released the new MacBook Neo, and this might be the cheapest MacBook ever. But is it actually worth it, or is there a catch? Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out the all new MacBook Neo, starting at just $499, going up to around $699. This is Apple's new entry level Mac, built for students, creators, and everyday users. First, the design. It comes in 4 colors: silver, blush, citrus, and indigo. And honestly, it looks super fresh. It's thin, lightweight, and feels very premium, even though it's Apple's cheapest MacBook. So now, this is where it gets interesting. The MacBook Neo is powered by the A18 Pro Chip, which is used in the iPhone, which is super efficient and fast for everyday tasks, whether it's browsing, schoolwork, editing, or even light creative work. This Mac handles it very easily. And yes, it lasts up to 16 hours. It has 16 hours of battery life, which is very crazy for this price. And you get a 13-inch liquid Retina display, which looks sharp, bright, and super clean. So it also includes a 1080p camera, spatial Dolby audio speakers, and Touch ID. So even though it's cheaper, it still doesn't feel cheap at all. Yeah, and one of the biggest highlights is the AI, also known as Apple Intelligence. You can summarize notes, rewrite text, and generate content. And if you also use an iPhone, this Mac becomes even more powerful because of the new features and AI intelligence. So everything just connects seamlessly based on Apple's thing. So should you buy it if you're a student or just you want a powerful laptop at a low price? I think this might be the best one, even for a normal day-to-day use. So this is the best Mac in my opinion. But for heavy editing, gaming, and high-profile stuff, it's not that powerful to handle that much. So you need the MacBook Pros and Airs. So overall, the MacBook Neo, it changes everything, because now getting a Mac has been easier than ever. And at $499 for students, it's more awesome. And starting at $600, it's also good for normal day-to-day uses. So it's a big win-win for Apple, and I think this is one of the biggest comparisons I've ever seen. So it's honestly insane. So that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you'll see the new movie I uploaded. And I won't be uploading for a specific amount of time, which is basically like 30 days because of exams. But still, I hope you support me and support the channel by watching this video. If you want to give your feedback, you can tell in the comments, and I hope I'll reply for it soon. So subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
At a price you wouldn't.